Hey, you didn't know, say, Jamaican people have a saying or a song or a telling for every situation, every single situation in the world? And did you know that Jamaican people call them wise sayings or them tellings proverbs? Oh yes. Hi, I'm Vivien. Welcome back to Lady Vivien's Slices of Jamaican Life. In today's video, Jamaican Proverbs Part 2, I'm going to give you 7 new proverbs. I'm going to give them to you in Patwa, then I'm going to translate and interpret them for you in standard English. So if you like authentic Jamaican culture, please hit the thumbs up button. And let's dive into the Jamaican culture calabash and enjoy another slice of Jamaican life. Proverb number 1. Cow take him tongue and lick out him own a nose hole. The cow uses its tongue to clean out its own nostrils. Now this one means that no matter how important you think you are, you should not consider yourself to be above doing things for yourself. Cow take him tongue and lick out him own a nose hole. Proverb number 2. Hell a top, hell a bottom, hallelujah in the middle. Hell on top, hell under the bottom, hallelujah in the middle. Now this proverb really is about something delicious. It's about how to make a pudding the authentic, traditional Jamaican way. You simply put fire above and below the pudding mixture and bake for the appropriate amount of time. Hell at top, hell at bottom, hallelujah in the middle. Proverb number 3. No makmaga kawa bush, akoda bull muma. The person you consider to be the most lowly among you could be connected to the most influential or highly placed person. Proverb number 4. Evening sun can dry crocus bag. The evening sun can't dry wet burlap or crocus bags. It is a sin to waste time. Don't wait until the last minute to get things done. Dry crocus bag. We are going, you know. We are going. Proverb number 5. Cow can't hear whoa. In neck belong to butcher. The cow that will not obey when its master tells it to stop will soon be sent to the butcher. This means that those who will not take heed will suffer. Cow can't hear woe, in neck belong to butcher. Proverb number 6. When rat log ramp round puss jaw, one day him going end up in a puss craw. When the rat loves to play with the cheeks of the cat, one day he will end up in the belly of the cat. This means that if we carelessly put ourselves in danger and keep doing that, one day we may not be able to get ourselves out. When rat love ramp round puss jaw, one day him going end up in a puss craw. Proverb number 7. Bongla pass enough you, no Lucy. If you find a package neatly bound, you know it's not yours. Do not open it. The package could refer to an explosive device or some other dangerous object. It means keep your mouth out of other people's business. Bongla pass enough you, no Lucy. My viewers and my subscribers, thank you for watching this video on Jamaican Proverbs. If you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below telling me about which Jamaican proverb is your favorite proverb. And it doesn't matter if it wasn't in this video. It could have been something you heard from somebody else, your grandmother, somebody. Just leave me a comment telling me which one is your proverb, and I will be sure to share it with our audience in a future video. And if you are new here, and if you really have an interest in more authentic Jamaican cultural knowledge, then please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell also, so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Until next week, remember, this channel is all about keeping you entertained and informed by serving you slices of Jamaican life. The people, the culture, the heritage, the language. Every Thursday, a new video. And next week, I have a story to tell you. Can't do it in this video because it would make it too long. But next week, don't miss next week. And the joke is on me in that story. Ah boy, don't miss it. See you next week.